to share something very personal with my college students. And that personal thing is, विवेकानंद केंद्र से मेरा परिचय तब हुआ था जब मैं आप लोगों की उम्र की थी, यानी 21-22 साल की उम्र में। When I was college going, rather college खत्म सा ही हो रहा था। So that time I met with a life worker from Vivekanand Kendra, Miss Seema Ajgaonkar. She was hardly 4 years elder to me that time. तो मुझे, जैसे आप लोगों को भी बहुत बार बहुत कुछ कहा जाता है ना कि नहीं आप अकेले न जाओ, ऐसे न करो, वैसे न करो। तो जब मैंने उनको काम करते हुए देखा, और केवल 4 साल मेरे से बड़ी थी, जो आज मैं हूँ, जो भी मेरा व्यक्तित्व बना है, वो शायद उसी प्रेरणा से बना है जब मैं विवेकानंद साहित्य और विवेकानंद केंद्र के संपर्क में आई। मैं रेगुलर किसी भी संस्था या किसी उससे नहीं वहाँ संपर्क रहता है मेरा, लेकिन जो विवेकानंद यूथ आइकन के रूप में आप जानते हैं, युवा दिवस भारतवर्ष में उनके जन्मदिन पे मनाया जाता है। तो मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है, और जो व्हाट आई लाइक इन विवेकानंद इज हिज सोशल कमिटमेंट एंड द स्ट्रेंथ दैट ही गेट्स फ्रॉम स्पिरिचुअलिटी। ये दो चीज़ें, समाज के लिए कुछ करने की इच्छा और स्पिरिचुअलिटी अगर आप अपने अंदर डेवलप करेंगे तो दुनिया में कहीं भी आप अपने लिए जगह बनाएंगे और you will be a face in the crowd. I am very sure. So that is how I was associated with Vivekananda Kendra, and that's why I wanted to invite someone from Vivekananda Kendra to get you initiated in this path, to work for the society, to work for the nation, because he always believed in character building, man making and nation building. So nation building, development is not without man. So first we have to become a good human being, and then आपके साथ लोग हैं तो भी ठीक है, नहीं हैं तो भी ठीक है, क्योंकि मुझे कुछ गीत जो वहाँ कभी सीखे थे वो आज तक याद हैं। न हो साथ कोई, अकेले बढ़ो तुम, सफलता तुम्हारे चरण चूम ले। तो आप आगे बढ़ो। उसके बाद तो किसी शायर ने कहा है ना, मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर लोग मिलते ही गए, कारवां बदका लिया। तो आप सही रास्ते पर आगे बढ़ो, लोग साथ होंगे और सफलता आपके चरण चूमेगी। So that is what the message I wanted to give, and that is how we have organized this program. And very rightfully, I have chosen a young faculty member, so dynamic, so energetic. Yeah. So many of the young faculty members, especially they are. Yeah. Seema is also there, and because she took a lot of initiative, and she was the first, you can say that way. So that is how. Otherwise, it's a team. Amrita, Seema, and Tripti, Gobina, and many more. So we, all of us rather, I am not neglecting our senior teachers. You can't say that I am thankful to them also. They have taken interest, that's why they are here. So I am very much thankful to them. I am thankful to Dr. Nityanand ji, who has come here, and he delivered a talk. He introduced Vivekananda Kendra, and Manas ji, who has come all the way. Yesterday only he came back from Kanyakumari. Oh, so he is having some vibrations from Kanyakumari. Yesterday only he has come back. So within 2 minutes, I think he has passed some vibrations to you. We'll listen to him later sometime. So thanks to all of you once again, and thanks to the judges. Sorry, no, they all belong to faculty members. When I thank faculty members, it means I am thanking them also, and especially with our students who participated in this extemporary competition, and as an incentive we are planning something. Maybe on 21st, Doordarshan has invited me for a talk or an interaction session on women empowerment. So they wanted that some of our students can also participate and go there as audience. They can ask some questions also. So we'll be selecting some of you for that purpose also. Okay, thanks a lot.